uSifiso lo umseleku ugama uDennis igama bengisilento i-archivist yokhozi for about 33 years now ngila SABC. So i-retirement yami le ngijabulile ukuba la SABC. Ngijabule kakhulu ngomsebenzi ekade ngiwenza la SABC ukusiza kakhulukazi isiteshi sokhozi if kunama clips noma kunezinto abazidingayo ezidala zasakazwa ngikwazi ukuthi ngibasize kakhulukazi nabezindaba bebeza la kumina if kunento abayidingayo edinga izindaba edala zenzeka like ama speech abo president ama speech abo former president bebefika la bazofuna lezo zinto ngikwazi ukuthi bazidlale emoyeni ama clips amaningi obuwezwa la emoyeni if ukuthi isiteshi celebrate mhlambe iminyaka ethize abeqhamuka la kumina ngoba sinama clips amaningi lana sinama recordings amaningi asuka ko 1968 kuze kuyofika manje kanti futhi even ama drama la ubuyezwa ukhozi lwaphinda emoyeni bebo athola kala la kumina amaningi akhona lawa ase abantu ababewathanda kakhulu afana no Bathatha Sigidi akuthiwa isihloko sakho kwakuthiwa uyizwe uvalo wonke lawo madrama atholakala khona la kumina if ngesinye isikhathi abantu bewadinga okuningi ke ebesikwenza ikona lokugcina wonke ama programs okhozi konke besikwenza nje kumnandi sekufika isikhathi ke la sengithi khona nami khumu manje ngoba bengila isikhathi eside kakhulu eminyaka u33 sekufike la nami senginikeza abanye abancane ithuba lokuthi baqhubeke bayithatha indima yokhozi bayise phambili ngoba ukhozi phela siyalazi ukuthi luhamba phambili. Umphakathi ke nawo unalo ilungelo lokuzobheka ukuthi kwenziwani archives banalo futhi ilungelo lokuthi makhona izinto abazidingayo bayakhuluma noEric Mkhwanazi oseGoli bamfonele nambeni yakhe basho ukuthi yini abayidingayo abayizwile emoyeni noma okubafundisayo bacelene uEric Mkhwanazi yena ke oba nemininingwane yonke eshoyo ukuthi kuba into kuyathengwa kwenzeka kanjani uyena kodwa oba nayo yonke information uEric Mkhwanazi oseGoli kodwa ke umphakathi unalo ilungelo lokufika uzobona kodwa ke kufikwa ngeappointment appointment yenziwa ke kumphathi wakhona e-library ukuthi abantu bafike makhona abafuna ukuzokubona noma bafuna ukuzokufunda.
Sanibonani, igama lami kuLwazi Mthabela, business manager yoKhozi FM. Namhlanje sithanda uku-acknowledge ubaba uMseleku ne-contribution yakhe ayenzile ka-SABC njengoba retire ke namhlanje. Siyafisa ukuthi ukudlulisa ukubonga okukhulu kumsebenzi awenzile. Ukuba i-media librarian nokuba i-archivist kusho ukuthi ke uyi-guardian of i-collective memory ye-country. Wonke ama-milestone yonke into eyenzeka emhlabeni nasemsakazweni idlulile kuyena egcina ama-archives ethu and also just to make sure ukuthi into efana naleyo i-accessible to abantu eSouth Africa ngoba manje umlando akuvubalekile ukuze usize futhi ukuthi sazi ukuthi siyakuphi. So siyafisa nje ukuthatha leli thuba sithi as retire baba uMseleku sithanda ukubonga for yonke leminyaka ozidedicatele kuyona ku-SABC ne-service nje weni ku-SABC ukuba disciplined nangokuthi nje umsebenzi wakho uphathisa kwezikhali zamantungu. Siyabonga kakhulu i-contribution yakho izokhuluma ke oluningi i-contribution yakho many years after today and every time i-archive ivulwa noma kwenziwa something ehlangene nje ne-media library story or a memory revived, we wish you well in this next chapter and hope you live knowing that your work has truly mattered ka SABC and South Africa yonkana. So siyabonga kakhulu and congratulations and on your well-earned retirement. Siyabonga.
Igama lami nguSamkelisiwe Shinga, ngi-media librarian for SABC for Ukhozi FM Music. Ngifike la ekhaya ngo-2021. Ngifika ngamukelwa ngezandla ezifudumele by baba uMseleku noZosakhe noDinesh. Into engifunda kakhulu kubaba ukuthi ngihloniphe impilo, ngihloniphe abantu and ngihlale ngazi ukuthi ngifunani ngaso sonke isikhathi. And enye into engifundile kubaba kakhulu ukuthi umsebenzi wakho ngabe wenza uwenze ngokuzimisela and futhi bengabe wenzisise without expecting anything back in return from omunye umuntu, because isikhathini esiningi thina stila with the public. So yeah, engifisa ukusho for ubaba ukuthi aphumule kahle, sengathi uNkulunkulu angamgcina amandisele nezinsuku zakhe zokuphila.
Igama lami nguzusakhe Nowako. Ndi principal librarian yalapha ku SABC Media Library KZN. Ndisebenza noMr Mseleko from 2014 kufika kwami apha. Ngesikhathi ndifike ndi librarian, a record librarian, and then later on I became a principal librarian. But obuhlungu kakhulu ngobaba ukuthi ngifike khona la, and then later on yaba nguye reporter to me. But kuyo yonke into ibisenzeka lapha e-library nguye umuntu obeyimanager yalapha, because kwindaba yepolice ye-SABC, kwindaba yokuphatha abantu ka-SABC, nakwi-history and way of doing things lapha e-SABC, umhlekazi nguye umuntu ebesenza kakuhle endixelela ukuthi mhlekazi send i-email eso, mhlekazi akwenziwa lokhu, even if uyi-manager but akwenziwa lokhu, yenza lento ngelihlobo nohlobo. So now that Mr. Mseleko uyahamba, akukho mnandi kuthi, because asizuba nayo i-manager library anymore, because ulwazi analo, information anayo, the knowledge that anayo about SABC processes zezidingayo thina. We still need guidance yakhe, but xa kuthiwa uyahamba today kubuhlungu kuthi, because he was not only a colleague but also a brother as well. I just got married in 2022. Umhlekazi is the one ebendi-advise ukuthi mhlekazi mawunonkosikazi wenza so, mawunengane wenza so, u-ABCD awumenzi mawungumuntu oshadile, uyabo. So he was not only a colleague but a brother as well. So sifuna ukuthi kuye as a library staff members and as SABC KZN ahambe kahle. We just wish ukuthi la yakhona afika afane nala ekhaya SABC, because today farewell yakhe asikwazi ukuthi simiyeka ahambe without doing farewell. So sicabangile ukuthi asihlangane thina abantu baka RRTO, the region at large, nabanye abasuka kwezinye departments, ukuthi thina simenzele farewell to say kuye baba siyabonga lapho uyakhona ufike ufane nalapha ngendlela obuyiyo la ekhaya. So with those few as colleagues, nakuyi Mr Mseleko ahambe kahle man, and thank you to mama wekhaya, mama wakhe. Thank you to your family yake for raising such a wonderful person, an amazing person like Baba Mseleko. So on our side, on my side as a line manager yake, ndithi akukho mnandi kumleta ahambe, but kumele ahambe because it's about time ukuthi ayohlala nefamily yake after 33 years of service. So ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you.